very squally morning. There's lots of winds.
But that's the reality, baby. Sometimes it's like that. It's not sunny, it's squally. So,
But weather like this, huh?
yeah, I actually don't mind. But it's always like that. It never stops raining before you drop the anchor. Things are not so easy anymore with this big belly. We are Georgia and Diego. And this is our home, Unforgettable. For the past 5 years, we've been sailing the planet. Our challenge now is to continue the adventure as our family grows. Subscribe and join our life at sea. After 6 months away from our boat, we are finally back. Last week we sailed to a marina to do a boatload of jobs and get our sailboat ready to untie the lines again. Today we are sailing to one of our favorite anchorages in French Polynesia, in the island of Morea. Good morning, crew! It's very early in the morning. I still have my sleeping face. And we are leaving the marina to go to Morea, that beautiful island, few miles from here. There's not much wind yet because I think it's too early, but probably soon it will pick up. We hope so, so we can have a nice sail on our way there. And there's already some activity here in the port in the morning. The ferry arriving, some boats leaving. Always Polynesian people paddling their their canoes. Ooh, boa, nice! Good morning, dolphins! Look how many! So many dolphins! Good morning, guys!
Everyone has a way to carry, everyone has a soul, so let it shine. Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. I will scream from the highest mountain. I will love like there's nothing in my way. I believe in the heart inside me. I believe in the hope that conquers hate. Don't worry about the clouds.
15 miles between Papeete and Opunohu Bay. It's a very squally morning. There's lots of winds. We have the second reef on the main and the first reef on the jib. We're doing 6 knots and we are kind of between two squalls, two big squalls, one in front of us, one behind of us, that kind of stay in Tahiti now. So we are surfing the edge of the squall, which is good because there's lots of wind, and try to avoid some rain, but I don't know. We've been successful so far and I hope we keep like that, but maybe this is just wishful thinking. But anyway, it's great to be sailing here. The boat's doing great and better than I expected. We're going faster than I expected.
Turn up the music louder than thoughts and
We are approaching Morea now, and the wind that was coming from the squall is now gone. The squall passed us, and now it's just like rolling. But yeah, I'm very glad that we could surf this squall and come all the way here. Very good speed, very good performance, and nice sailing. For the sail and crank the engine.
No, we're nearly there.
Nearly there, enter the pass, anchored, have a big breakfast, and happy days. It's not always sunny skies, right, babe?
I wish it was a beautiful day with sunny skies for our baby first sail in Unforgettable. But that's the reality, baby. Sometimes it's like that. It's not sunny, it's squally. But it was a good sailing anyway. So I think she enjoyed. She was really calm, really quiet. I think she was just having some fun. She didn't feel the rain, neither the wind, so...
She's having a blast.
Yeah, I think she's fine. It just feels so good.
Yes, it does, it does. Ah, it's so great to be here. Look at this water, clear. I can't wait to jump in.
Even raining, I can see the anchor dropping on the floor. I can see the chain, like the fish on the water. It's so good to be in clear water again. Just wait for the sun to shine to go for a dive. For a swim, actually, cannot dive right now. That's a bummer, but okay. Ooh, happy, happy, happy.
40 days and 40 nights since I've seen my baby.
Nice brekkie to celebrate.
Celebration breakfast.
Yummy. This is super classic for us in sailing. Once we arrive in an anchorage, when we drop the anchor, it's raining. Always raining when you have to drop the anchor. And then, like 10 minutes later, 5 minutes later, ta-da! Sunny weather.
But weather like this, huh?
Yeah, I actually don't mind, but it's always like that. It never stops raining before you drop the anchor. It's always after you drop the anchor. But yeah, if it stops, it's good. I'm fine. Diego left such in a rush to dive. He was super excited, and we just arrived and our friends came by, that he left all the boat to organize for me, but that's okay. Since I cannot dive, I'm happy they are having fun. I wonder how is the dive? Oh, so nice. I wish I could dive, but that's fine. I have better reasons right now. But as soon as I can dive again, I'll be back in the water. So I'll just tie the lines, yeah, organize the boat. Not so funny. Maybe I'll go for a swim just by myself around the boat. Not bad, not bad really. I'm happy, the water's so clear. Yeah, definitely I'm going for a swim. Wow, these lines are super dry. And I don't know if I already said that, but I'm so happy to be cruising again. I probably already said that many times in the last videos, but it's just like, Oh, it's so good to be back home, to be back on the boat, to boat life. I'm really happy and really excited now that we have a new crew coming. And also I would like to thank you guys so much for being here every week with us. A special thank you to our patrons. I'm really happy to see the amazing community we have here. And thank you so much for each one of you that support our videos, that give a little extra to keep these videos coming. And if you're not a patron yet and you would like to get some benefits and support our production, you have the chance to come aboard. Also, we'll be the first one to know about crew opportunities, take part in some live streams exclusive for patrons, and many other rewards that you can check there. And for you that don't contribute on Patreon, we love you anyway, guys. Thank you so much for being here, for watching our videos. I really appreciate our community. Things are not so easy anymore with this big belly. It used to be much easier, no? Well, at least when the baby's born, we have one more to help us with the boat. Well, not for a few months, years I mean. Yeah, for a long while.
We had just dropped the anchor and our friend from another boat, Chris, came in. Hey guy, how are you doing? Let's go dive. And just like a beginning, I was, you know, the first answer is always a no. I just arrived. I need to do this. I need to do that. But you know what? Yeah, let's do it. And I was waiting so long for do that, and it felt great. It felt great to be there on this unreal water. We had Chris, Rachel and Josh, and they are very experienced, and it was a beautiful dive. At some point towards the end, my mask band kinda slipped off and it got loose. So just like I was worried a bit, but then I talked to Rachel under the water, and she said it would be okay. So I just kept holding my mask, and the pressure itself, it was holding against my face. And we carry on for another 10 minutes or so.
Stay pretending this ego needs defending. Try to be myself and end up someone else. More often than I can hardly grasp a thought. Heading nowhere, know when I get there. Thought this was the cure. Thought now I was fine. Tried every drug once to stay high.
And it felt really good, you know. It's just like, okay, now we are, this is why I live in a boat, this is why I chose this life. And it was a great welcoming, and I can only thank Chris for the invitation, and tomorrow there's more.
Well, we are definitely back to cruising life, guys. Diving, swimming in clear waters, beautiful sunset and amazing anchorage. I'm so happy for that. And that's where we leave you for today. But in the coming weeks, you'll be following our adventures in the beautiful island of Morea. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much. We just hit 45,000 subscribers in our channel. We couldn't be happier. This is really amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's get to 50. So that's it. See you next Thursday.